The land once green, now cracked and dry, a silent plea beneath the sky. We took too much, forgot its worth, but hope remains a chance for rebirth. With seeds we sow and water clear, bring back the life, banish the fear. Trees will rise where dust once lay, animals return, come what may. Let's mend the scars with gentle hand, restore the land across the land. For future's sake, a world to share with healthy soil and life to spare.